Yesterday, I found myself scrolling on Twitter for about 2 hours. I got really pissed by that, so I decided to build something to help me solve that issue. So basically, I was scrolling on Twitter because I was trying to find out about the new things happening in tech, you know, tech Twitter as well as soccer Twitter, because those are things I kind of care about on Twitter. And so I wasted a lot of time just trying to find out this information because there's so much noise. And so I decided to build something that sifts through this noise for me. So I built this Twitter AI assistant that basically scrapes Twitter, like it scrapes my Twitter feed, and it just it lets me prompt it so I can ask it questions concerning the things that are happening in anything I care about. So let me just show you how it works real quickly. As you can see, it's still local. I just did this last night when I found out that I scrolled for 2 hours. Okay, so let's just scroll for 60 seconds. So you have to log into your Twitter username and then my password. Okay, so I've opened up my Twitter and it just starts scrolling through it. It's just scrolling and scraping all these tweets. And it's doing all this just so I can be able to ask it questions and get some analytics done. Okay, so you can see over here as well, it just shows the tweets found so far, and it's just showing how much is done, or how much of the time is done. So this is a pretty short scroll, just 60 seconds. Okay. Yeah, so this is just something I just decided to work on last night because I felt like it was just solving a problem that I had. I guess not really sure how important it is for others. Although I have some friends who would say that they would love the same thing as well. So let's see how it goes there. Okay, so we have scraped a couple of tweets, 230 tweets. These are some samples. I don't need to see this. So let's just ask a bunch of questions. So anything cool happened about Tech Material today? Okay, cool. Asked questions, and then it's just starts giving me a response about, you know. So Brian Johnson discussed the potential health benefits of using sauna, affecting the heart, SEO. Okay. Okay. What happened in soccer today? And then it just kind of gives me. Okay, so it says there was some controversy about Pedri. It just gives me information based on the tweet it gets, and yeah, and then also I could also explore and just see a couple of tweets as well, just see a sample of collected tweets, and I could also check for some stats. But the main feature, honestly, is just to ask AI and be able to just query my feed instead of having to scroll through it and spend all those hours just trying to get the most important thing and going through the noise. Yes, so this is my Twitter AI feed assistant. Thank you.